Good morning, student. Today we are going to just revise the chapter number 9 journal. Okay, beta? How we are going to maintain the journal entry? How we are going to make the journal entry? That we are going to revise on today class. First, we are going to start. What is the journal? Okay, beta? Journal is the proforma which we are using for the making of journal entry. Okay, beta? Journal is the proforma which we are going to make for the journal entry. Its proforma is like that. I am just going to make one small proforma for front of you. It's the date, particular, LF, amount, debit, amount, rate. Okay, beta? On this way we are going to make the proforma. In this proforma we are entered here entries. But first we have to know about that how we are going to maintain the entry, how we are going to make the debit and credit, or you say how we are going to enter these all transactions which done in a business in journal. Okay, beta? So for that, first we have to know about that types of account. Okay, beta? First we have to know about that types of account. Mainly three type of account we are going to know: personal account, real account, and nominal account. But in your book, two type is given. Two type is given: personal, impersonal, and impersonal. Okay, beta? In your book, when we are going to see the classification of account, so that is given personal and impersonal, and then personal divide in three parts, and impersonal divide in two parts. One is real and second is nominal. But when we are going to know about that, how we are going to enter these all account in journal, for that we are going to only classified in these three parts. One is personal account, second is real account, and third is nominal account. Okay, beta. Now I am going to explain that personal account. Personal account is account which are relate with the name of person and organization or firm. Okay, beta. The account which is related with the name of organization or firm or business. Okay, as like that, account of Ram, Rame, Mahesh, Dinesh, Ravi, Mangal, A, B, C. These are what? These all are the personal account. Ravi and company, Mahesh and company, Shiv Enterprises. It's what? Name. If any account that is related with the name of person and organization, that is called personal account. Now we are coming on the real account. Real account is account which is related with the name of things. Relate with the name of things. As like that, land, building, plant, machinery, fan, furnitures. Okay? Pen, pencil, bank account, mobile account. Okay? These all are the real account. Means the things, they have some physical source, that will called real account. Okay, beta? That will called real account. Next and last is the nominal account. Account which is related with the income and expenditure. The account which is related with the income and expenditure, that will call nominal account. As like salary account, commission account, interest account, discount account, rent account, commission account. These are what? These all are the what? Nominal account. Okay, beta? These three type of account, we have to know about that. On the basis of that, we are going to enter the all transaction in journal. Okay? Now, just see the proforma of journal. It's a proforma of journal. Two column from amount, one for LF, then particular. It's a date. It's a date, particular, LF, amount, it's a debit amount, it's a credit amount. Okay, beta? Now I'm going to explain the all parts of this journal. It's a pro forma of journal. Okay, beta. In date column, we are going to enter the date of that transactions. Okay. Then in particular column, you are going to enter the journal entry of that transactions. In LF, we are going to present the page number, laser folio, page number of the laser where this entry will transfer. Okay, beta. The page number where this entry will transfer. Then amount debit is here and amount credit is here. Okay, as like that, just see that some maybe cash account and debit here they are putting to Ram. Okay, how it's a debit, how it's a credit, that all things is depend on the rules that I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, this is the journal entry. Here we have entered the narration and then one line. Okay, beta. Then one line. Pet to Ram. Okay, it's a narration, it's journal entry, date here, 1, 2, 3, anything, maybe. Okay, and then journal entry, laser folio, we are not entered anything. Okay, we are not entered. But in main folio, in main lesson and journal performer, we are utilizing this all. And then debit amount here and credit amount here. Now we are going to discuss about that how we are going to entry one debit and one credit. For that, we are going to follow the double entry system. And what is the double entry system, beta? Double entry system is system in which we are going to take the two side of all transactions. One is debited, second is credited on the behalf of some certain rule. On the behalf of some certain rule that is called double entry system. Okay, beta? That is called double entry system. Double entry system is what, beta? In the double entry system, we are taking the both side of all transaction. First is our one is debited or second is credited on the behalf of some certain rule is called double entry system. And by the double entry system, we have the rule for these all. For personal account, because I think you will know, one is debited and second is credited. Only two way we have. Okay, two account we have, two way we have. On the basis of that, we are going to make one debit and second credit. Okay, so then we have to know about the rule of personal account. In personal account, that giver will debit and receiver will credit. Okay, giver will debit, who will give they are debit and who will receive they are credit, because here the person है बेटा. So who is give they are debit, giver will debit and receiver credit. Okay, then second, real account, what comes in a business. If you have the business, what comes in? What comes in? They are debit. And what goes out from your business, they are credit. Okay, beta. What comes in a business, they are debit. And what goes out, they are credit. Okay, beta. And third is the nominal, all the expense and loss, debit. All the income and profit, credit. Okay, beta? Clear? Again, I am going to repeat. Giver, giver or debit, receiver or credit. In personal account, what comes in the business is debit, what goes out. In real account, expense and loss will debit, income and profit will credit in nominal account. Okay, now we are going to know about that how we are making this entry. For that, I will just explain. Make the three steps: first, second, and third. Okay, utilize this three steps for the 3 or 4 questions. Then you are doing your question is pass to this step. Okay, first step that just see the transaction and find out the two accounts. So beta, see the transaction and find out the two accounts. Then second, relate that two account with this personal, real and nominal. Okay, relate that two account with this personal, real, and nominal. That account is related with the which system or which accounting part. Okay, beta, and then we are going to follow the rule of personal, real, or nominal. Okay, beta, as like that, if pen to Ram, cash. Okay, so one is the cash and second is the Ram. Okay, two account. First step is finished. Two account funding. First step is finished. Cash and Ram. Then we are going to relate with the account. Both are related with the real account or nominal account. Ram will relate with the personal account and cash will relate with the real account. Okay, beta. Ram relate with the personal account and cash relate with the real account. Then follow up the rule. Both are single one because we don't well known about the two way we have. Okay. Then personal account. Ram received and you are going to pay. Okay. Cash paid to Ram. So Ram received beta. So receiver are credit. Okay. On the basis of that, we are going to enter the debit or credit. Let's see more. Cash received from Ram. Okay. You are receiving again cash. One account is cash, second account is Ram. Cash you are receiving. Receiving means real account. What comes in? Debit. It means cash account debit and Ram credit. Narration here. Cash received from Ram. Okay, beta. Purchase goods in cash. Purchase goods in cash. One is purchase, second is cash. Both are the real account. What comes in? Purchase debit and cash will credit. Okay, beta. Purchase debit and then cash will credit. Rent paid. Rent is the again two account rent and one cash. Rent is the nominal account. Nominal account expense. Expense will debit and cash will credit. You are easily applying only one account and rule of only one account. As like the rent will debit. It's confirmed. So sure a certain cash will credit. Okay, beta. On the basis of that, we are going to enter the all journal entry. Okay, clear? After that, some discount. Two type of discount is there. We are talking about the discount. Two type of discount is there. One trade discount and second is the cash discount. Okay, beta. One trade discount, second is the cash discount. Trade discount is discount which is given by all the businessman to his all customer for increasing his sale. Okay, and that trade discount we are not going to show in a journal entry. Only the amount which is related with the transaction that will less. Okay, as like that, if transaction amount is 10,000 and 10% trade discount, then 10% 1,000, then main amount is 9,000. We are going to enter in the transaction only 9,000. Okay, only 9,000. Next is the cash discount. Cash discount is given by the special situation, paying the money before the time or any special case, and this cash discount we are showing in our entry. Okay, discount is like a nominal account. If you are receiving your discount, that is income. Then credit, you are given the discount, that is expense. Then debit. As like that, if you are given the discount, so then cash account debit, discount account debit to maybe Ram is with A, no problem with that. Okay, if you are receiving the discount, then A debit to cash discount. You are paying, then you are receiving the discount. You are receiving the cash, then you are giving the discount. Okay, Clear? This is all for the journal entry. On the basis of that, we are going to maintain the journal entry. Okay, beta? Clear? And after the finishing of every page, we are going to maintain the total CD and the next page total BD. Okay, beta? And then last we are going to totaling these all. Okay, and last we are going to totaling this all. That is the answer of that question. Okay, clear? Three type of account: personal, real, nominal. Then rule of account and how to maintain in the journal. How we are present this entries. That all thing is clear, beta? Okay. Thank you.